Hi, and welcome. If you're here, your 2005 Honda Odyssey radio has probably locked itself after a battery replacement or power loss. Don't worry, this guide will help you retrieve and input your unlock code to get your radio working again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate your radio's serial number, retrieve the unlock code, successfully input the code, and troubleshoot any issues. Let's get started. Understanding the issue. When the power to your Odyssey's radio is interrupted, the system activates a security feature to deter theft. As a result, your radio will display CODE and stop functioning. The good news? Retrieving and entering the unlock code is quick and straightforward when you follow the right steps. Step 1. Finding the serial number. To unlock your radio, you'll first need its serial number. On a 2005 Honda Odyssey, this can be found without removing the radio. Here's how. Turn on the ignition, insert the key, and switch it to the accessory position, not fully on. Power on the radio. Press the radio's power button. When code appears, proceed to the next step. Check the glove box. Look inside your glove box for a sticker. It often includes both the serial number and unlock code. The serial number typically consists of 8 digits. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can't find the sticker? No worries. Use the radio buttons to display the serial number. Turn the ignition to the accessory position. Simultaneously press and hold the 1 and 6 preset buttons. While holding them, press the power button. The radio will display a serial number in one segment. Write this down carefully. You'll need it later. Step 2. Retrieving the unlock code. Now that you have your radio's serial number, let's get the unlock code. Visit Honda's radio code website. Go to hondaradiocodes.com. Enter your details. Input the radio's serial number. Enter your vehicle's VIN, found on the dashboard or driver's side door frame. Follow the prompts. After entering the required details, the system will generate your unique unlock code. Write it down or save it on your device. Pro tip: double-check your inputs to avoid errors. Step 3. Unlocking the radio. With your unlock code ready, follow these steps to input it into your radio. Turn on the ignition. Switch to the accessory position and turn on the radio. Input the code. Use the preset buttons to enter your code. For example, if your code is 1316, simply press 1, 3, 1, and 6 on the preset buttons in sequence. Confirm the code. After entering the full code, the radio will unlock automatically. Troubleshooting common issues. Wrong code entered. If you enter an incorrect code, the radio will display error or wait. Wait for 1 to 10 minutes before attempting again. Lost serial number or unlock code. Repeat the steps to retrieve the serial number and revisit the radio code website. Persistent issues. If your code isn't working, ensure the serial number and VIN are entered correctly. If needed, contact Honda customer support. Quick recap: retrieve the radio's serial number via the sticker or button combination. Generate your unlock code online using your serial number and VIN. Input the code 1316 using the radio's preset buttons. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful car maintenance tips. Happy driving and enjoy your tunes.